What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff from Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Brandon, actually Valrico, Florida. We're here for a roof cleaning, tile roof cleaning. First time it's gonna be clean. This customer actually tried to do it himself, but whatever he was using was not working, so he called us out to get it done. EJ is gonna do my ground protection for me. We're gonna spray down all the grass, all the plants, and it's been kind of cold down here periodically, so a lot of plants has been dying from the frost. So we gotta do our diligence and protect the property. We have some plants that's already dead, which I took pictures of, and EJ. So we definitely gonna make sure we protect it. I'm gonna show you guys the roof. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions, and hit the bell for new content. I'm gonna show you guys the job. So this is the front of the house. You guys can see how dark the roof is. Like I said, EJ is doing the ground protection for me. I'm gonna show you guys the plants, what I'm talking about. See how we got some dead plants right here. Even the palm tree are dead. The palms are all gone. Look at that. So we're gonna make sure we get all that recorded on camera. We're gonna soak down the front, the sides. The back has a pool cage, so we don't have to worry about that. But we definitely have to protect everywhere else. Look at this palm tree over here too. Looking pretty weathered. So they have no gutters. They only have gutters in the back around the pool cage. So everything around the whole house has to be soaked. I'm gonna go up top and show you guys the top. All right, y'all, so this is the roof here. You can see how dirty this thing looks. This is the front side here. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this roof is slick. I am not gonna walk over here at all, especially where it's super dark right there. No, sir. Just getting up here was slick. So we're gonna shoot it up, stand in one spot, shoot as much as we can, and if I need to reposition the ladder, I'll just do that. But I don't think I'll be walking the whole entire roof. Over here, you see, it's not that bad. I can walk here, but over here, no sir. So, hey EJ, I'm gonna just go ahead and spray this over here, cause I'm over here, cause I don't wanna keep walking all the way around, cause it's slick up here, cause this algae on this side behind me is real bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray up here. So we'll start up here. Yeah, right where I'm at, yep. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this thing on the road. We've only been spraying for maybe a couple minutes. Of course, all of it's not gonna come off right now, but you guys can see a difference between there and here already. We're gonna get it all looking the same. Don't wanna keep on spraying and risking burning any plants. So, like I said, I'm not gonna walk on this. Normally I would, not today. Wow, look at the backside, y'all. First time. Let's keep on spraying. All right, spraying going good. All this spray here, you guys can see this is coming to life. This part here still needs some work. I will have to spray up facing the tiles, because what happens is you have a little, if you only spray it from the top going down, you miss all these areas like this here going all the way across. You have a line of algae because the solution just runs down. It doesn't go closer to the edge when it rolls down. That's why it's really good to spray it on each side of the tile to get it all clean. Majority of it is coming clean, but you know, sometimes you gotta turn your angle to get the rest of it. I got an area here I can walk to get those areas over there. It's darker. I'm just gonna let this just sit a little longer, work a little longer to kill the algae so it's not so slippery. This side is taking shape as well. So I'm letting the EJ water down the plants before I keep moving forward. You don't want to leave your ground man behind and keep spraying. You know, that's how you're gonna kill stuff. By the way, guys, we are using a 6% mix of sodium hypochlorite on this roof. Like I said, I'm not going crazy spraying and then if it's not going away, keep spraying. Nope, I'm spraying it and coming back, and you guys can see just that is working enough. This is the back corner. We won't have to come back here no more, so I'm letting the EJ flood this whole area real good, and then make sure this is good to go, and then we're gonna work our way around. If I gotta do touch-ups, it's fine. Back here is fine because they got the gutters. We gotta touch this side up, and then we got the left side right there to do, and I think one little section in the front. And of course we'll touch up the section that we sprayed when we walked up the roof. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and spray this front section here, and I think we just got the back side of that little dip over there. This area is coming out really good already. Let EJ flood this section down here underneath before I go. That's the part we watered down before we started. I think we only been on the roof for about an hour, not even an hour yet. Started about 9:30, so almost an hour. It's looking good. Like I say, always make sure you get the edges, and also make sure you shoot up so you can get the lip of the tile. It'll look real ugly if you leave that. This right here must have been a section where the customer tried something. You can see some lines and stuff on there. I don't know if you guys can pick it up, but you can see them lines. Like they're trying to scrub it or spray. I don't look like a wand, like a pressure washing wand. It's like a bunch of scribbles. This is the last side of the roof right here. We'll get this knocked out, do a few touch-ups, and we should be wrapping this puppy up. Shout out to EJ for the help. You can see dirty roof over there in the in the horizon. Next door is dirty. That roof is dirty. The one next to it is dirty. I gotta get me some more yard signs. Put some yard signs out there in front of the property. That's how you get them extra leads. Yo, pay attention. I just got down after spraying the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and start helping EJ water down some more. You can never water them down too much, man, when you're doing roofs. And I want to take that precaution. Don't want no issues. Meanwhile, the sun just came out, so everything should start drying up. I'll go up there and give you guys a recap once we're done watering down everything and rolling up the hoses. You guys, we're all wrapped up here. Everything's looking good. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, this is the front side. You guys can see what it looks like. We're not rinsing. We're not rinsing. We're not rinsing. This is the side of the roof right here. It's supposed to rain today, later on around 3 or 4 o'clock. Right now it's just almost 11:30. Almost 2 hours to get this done. We did spend quite a bit of time watering the plants because we don't want no problems with killing them. Show you guys the backside, still kind of wet. Over there is all dried up. All these spots right here, that's wet spots. Show y'all the front. Customer wants a quote for the driveway paver ceiling, as well as the pool deck. Yeah, that spot where they try to do whatever is all gone now. What do you guys think? All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for EJ for helping me out. The rain is about to come. Glad we got this done. It's supposed to rain in the next hour. But that'll help us get some more rinse on those plants, and as well as rinse the roof down. It's supposed to rain today and tomorrow, so that's going to be plenty of water. We used about 50 gallons on that roof. It was so bad. 50 gallons is what we used. I know the P40 sometimes, you know, it sprays a lot, so I think if I was using my 12-volt system, I probably would have used closer to like maybe 35, 40 gallons maybe. But we used all 50 with the P40. I was just enough to get the roof done. So thank y'all for checking the video out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, like I said, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.